I've got the plug in, my 213 Yamaha YW50FD or whatever it is. I've gone real carefully and put it in. The trick is if you don't use a torque wrench, which I generally don't use on small parts, the trick is to get it in here. Oh, let's see. I don't know if you can see it in there. But you get the plug in here, you get it snug, and you give it like an extra turn right here. Not a turn, I'm sorry. An extra eighth of a turn, just to snug it in a little bit. Now the next thing will be to try and get that boot on right there, which a lot of these Japanese bikes are made for Japanese hands, and it's really hard to get this big American hand in here. But I'm gonna see if I can do it, or maybe get a neighbor kid that's 12 years old to put it on.